ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಘಟನೆಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ದುಃಖಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಜೀವನ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Isn't it? We'll be happy, joy, right? Sometimes sorrow, sometimes difficulties will come in our life. Shall I ask you one question? ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ದುಃಖ ಮತ್ತು ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್? ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ and will face difficulties in life. What is the reason for that? Can you answer for this question? Yes. The answer is, we'll have much desire in our life, in every aspect. If the desire is not fulfilled, obviously we'll feel bad, we feel sad, we'll face so many difficulties, isn't it? That's why Bhagavan Buddha says that asaye dukkakke karana. So whatever the difficulties we are facing, the unhappy situation we are facing, so this all causes that our desire. So let us know about this point detailedly. We'll discuss in the lesson Kafi Kappu. Before going to the lesson, let's know about the author. Dr. Gururaja Karjagi wrote this lesson. Iವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞರು means educational expert. He gives many tips for the education, and he gives so many lectures. His lectures are very famous and very simple language. He speaks with an example. It's really motivate to everyone, especially about the education. ಇವರು 1952 1952 born, ಸ್ಥಳ ಹಾವೇರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಕರ್ಜಗಿ is there in his name only. See, Gururaja Karjagi. Okay, he was writing articles in Vijaya Karnataka. Okay, it's a collection of stories. The name of the collection of stories is called Karunalu Ba Bedake. What is the title of the collection of story? Karunalu Ba Bedake. This is the only one literary work in this, so you have to remember this one, Karunalu Ba Bedake. A title is very wonderful title. Lead, light. This one poem will come. D.M. Shrikantaya wrote Prarthane. Of that first line, this one, Karunalu Ba Bedake. Lead kindly, light anta. Okay. Under this he wrote so many stories. From that we have taken one story, that is Kafi Kappu. When you get a free time, read this one in simple Kannada. It is very interesting stories are there. Every Wednesday it is used to publish in Kannada newspaper. Okay, let us go to his work, research work. Till now 22ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, more than 22 research article it is published in foreign and our country. In foreign countryಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, you can imagine how much research he has done, resourceful article it is, how much famous it is. You can guess that. So that one 22, more than 22. Niyatakaalika andre regularly 15 days once, monthly once magazines will come. No, for that we say Niyatakaalikegalu anta. Okay, this article is published, and he started one organization. Okay, there, that is ACT. What is ACT means? Antarrashtriya Srujanashila Adhyapana Kendra. Srujanashila means creativity. ಯಾರು ಈ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಥವ್ರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸು ಬರೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಅವರೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಲಿಟರರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕರುಣಾಳು ಬಾಬೆಳಕೆ. Then you have to remember his date of birth 1952, place Haveri ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಕರ್ಜಗಿ, and then only one literary work is there, so that you have to write this one. Which one? 22ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಲೇಖನಗಳನ್ನು, ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್, ಲೇಖನ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. So this line you have to write. Okay, so about Gururaja Karjagi, I have to tell 2-3 incidents. One is that Dr. Abdul Kalam, you all know, right? With him, more than 10 years, he worked as a colleague because he is also scientist. Okay, Yuru Vignani, Abdul Kalam also scientist. With him, he worked around 10 years. Okay, then next in his 10th standard exam when he is facing, one incident happened in his. He got the result. He failed in 10th. Okay, on subject. Teacher knows about him. He is very bright student. How come he failed? Okay, then after that, they now you have after 1 month only repeater ke liye you have to pay the fees like that. Olden days it was not like that. 1 year they have to wait to give again exam. So exam time has come, he didn't pay the fees, he didn't turn up to school. Okay, how the relationship between the teacher and the student. For that sake, I am telling you this incident. Teacher is headmaster from school. Schools, you know, olden days it won't be very near. They have to walk 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers, sometimes more than 7 kilometers they have to walk. This child is not gone to school to pay the exam fees. Okay, teacher date is going to be end. Teacher was worried. He ran and came to Gururaja Karjagi's house. Okay, when he came, no, he was not conscious about that. He didn't own the slipper also. That is a hot summer. So when he came to the house, he told why you are done like that. And he paid the exam fees and all that. It is happened. Then again the revaluation they put for that. Okay, both simultaneously they have done. So after that result has come. And again this Gururaja Karjagi, he didn't bother to go and check the result. Teacher again in the same position, he ran to Gururaja Karjagi's house. Okay, so and he hugged Gururaja Karjagi, right? He congratulated him. Why, you know, in revaluation he got 96% the subject which he failed, and for the state he got 9th rank. Okay, and after that he started taking rest because he ran and came now, and he saw his legs. Teacher, his leg is full of blisters was there. Why, you tell me? In a hurry to a happy moment he wanted to share, no, he forgot to wear the slipper, right? He ran like that only. So because of that he got the blisters in leg. See, that much teacher is dedicated to share his happiness towards to a teacher. So teacher and the student, that much relationship, close understanding relationship was there those days.